The National Weather Service calls this spring snowstorm historic. As Becky Farr reports, it's jogging the memories of many who recall a similar event back in April 1997.
I'm glad you're there and I'm here in the comfort of my home this time.
25 years ago, Teresa Johnson was the program director at a radio station that was located in the same building as KX News on South Broadway near what's now Home Depot in Minot. Chief meteorologist Tom Schrader had recently moved to North Dakota.
I had a big four-wheel drive truck. I just came from Alaska, no big deal.
It turns out it was a big deal, and people like Tom and Teresa had to get to work to keep the public informed.
They actually came and picked us up on the snowmobile, took us to the station, and then we did 6-hour shifts. And you were on the air for 6 hours, and then you slept for 6 hours.
Tom decided to drive to work. He says he drove in the wrong lane and into a snowbank, but he made it.
So then I start walking. I have to crawl behind different cars just to get out of the wind. It took me 45 minutes to cross the Minot Chrysler parking lot to get to the front door. I pound on the front door, but everybody's in the back. And I didn't know that. I'm a new employee. I'd only been here a couple weeks. So I walk around to the side, pound on the door. I'm sweating. I go in. There's ice all over me. I fall down from exhaustion, and the sports guy walks in and goes, "He's going to die." True story.
Outside of Minot, conditions were pretty similar.
And I just thought it would blow over. Well, lo and behold, it came to be Saturday night and then Sunday morning. And in all the years I've lived up here, I've never seen that much snow.
Lori Solon tells me Lake Metagoshi was slammed with snow. Her husband was already working out of town before it hit.
By Monday morning, I was glad to see the sun. I called my husband. I said, "You need to get up here. We need to get out. I need to get to work. These kids are driving me nuts."
While that situation may be what some are experiencing now, just like it was then, it'll be something to remember.
And part of it is that 97 blizzard, snow rate was like 1 to 1.5 inches an hour. There were times yesterday it was 2 to 3 inches an hour. That's crazy.
In Minot, Becky Farr, KX News.
Well, Tom, we're glad you survived and you're still with us. And viewers have been sending KX News messages about another big storm in 1984. People recall the snow piles being so high they could walk right up to their rooftops. Tom Schrader will have more about that snowstorm for you a little later on in our newscast.